Anyway, ilan ang ghost projects ninyo dyan?
This is on the process of validation, Your Honor.
But do you still believe that there are ghost projects there? Or there were ghost projects?
In all candidness, Your Honor, I think so.
You think so?
Yes.
Saan yan?
Well, as I said, as I mentioned in my statement, there are district offices that we are trying to continue the validation of some projects, Your Honor. Let me just point out, Your Honor, that many of these projects also, many of the other projects that I have mentioned, some of these projects were also implemented in 2021, 2022.
Sige. Kailan nyo pa nalaman na may mga ghost projects? Since you assumed office, Mr. Secretary? Or just lately?
Just lately, Your Honor, and unfortunately.
So ibig sabihin, when did you assume as Secretary when President Marcos appointed you in 2022?
Yes,
all right. So you believe in 2022, 2023, 2024, walang ghost project?
Well, Your Honor, at the central office, we are relying actually on our project monitoring information that comes to us actually. Unless it's going to be validated actually and filled.
So you said siguro merong mga ghost projects. Who informed you na merong mga ghost projects?
Well, there are already informations that are coming up.
Yes. Who in particular informed you that there are
There are
ghost
people
projects?
in the department actually that are.
And how do they know that na merong mga ghost projects?
Well, there are people actually who can actually certify, Your Honor. And these are the projects that we are now intensively validating actually.
Okay, my office received reports that there are ghost projects in the municipalities of Kalumpit, Malolos, and Hagonoy in the province of Bulacan. Can you confirm this?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's true.
Well, this is the information that we have received, Your Honor.
And the contractor, allegedly, Wawaw Builders, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And SYMS Construction. Am I correct?
I don't recall that name, Your Honor.
Who is the owner of Wawaw Builders? Is he here? Is he present here?
Senator Jinggoy was invited but walang reply as of now.
May I know who is the legitimate owner of this construction company? Mark
Alan Arevalo.
All right. I think the committee already will issue a subpoena. So, sa aking palagay, itong mga ghost projects na nabulgar na ngayon, siguro inaayos na nila. Tama? Para hindi malata na ghost.
And I don't think that they will have that capability anymore, Your Honor, because I think if these were ghost projects in the first place, they would not have delivered the time actually to do anything at this point in time. The records will show that if there is no project at all that was implemented and payment has been made, then it's on.
Tapos na, nasunog na yung pera natin.
That's actually.
Alright, magkano ang in-award dito sa sa Wawaw Builders?
I don't have the figure right now, Mr. Chair, but I think it's predominantly.
No. Meron mga figures dyan. Huwag niyo ako lulukoyin dito. Labas niyo kung magkano yung in-award nito sa Wawaw Builders. Mga ghost projects. We'll wait for it. Kadiri.
Mr. Chair, but I've just been given the tabulation. Wawaw Builders. The number of projects total projects, total cost of the projects that have been implemented is 9 billion.
9 million or 9 billion?
9 billion all over the country, Mr. Chair. But let me just point out, in Bulacan alone, Wow Builders had 85 projects amounting to 5,971,811,000.
In Bulacan alone. What about the three municipalities that I've mentioned? Kalumpit, Hagonoy, and Malolos.
This is for Bulacan 1st Engineering District Office, Your Honor.
Ito bang, I'm not familiar, ito bang Kalumpit, Malolos, Hagonoy falls under the first
Yes, Your Honor.
Bulacan district? Ha?
Yes.
Alright. So magkano? Yung sa Wawaw.
5,971,811,000.
In Bulacan alone.
In Bulacan 1st Engineering District, Your Honor.
So yung 5 billion na in-award sa Wawaw Builders para sa province Bulacan
First Engineering.
are all ghost projects. Correct?
Secretary, for the record, the total is 9 billion.
That is nationwide.
Nationwide.
Nationwide, Your Honor.
Pero
Pero
lahat
5
yun,
billion
ghost
na-
projects.
Your Honor.
Ghost projects lahat.
No po.
So ang ghost project lang na sinasabi mo, sa Bulacan lang.
There seems to be some ghost projects actually as reported, Your Honor.
Are you investigating this right
Yes,
now?
Your Honor. We're investigating it.
What is the status of your investigation?
They will